Do you have a flat tire and you're not confident to change it yourself? Let me show you how to do it. Having a flat tire can be a big inconvenience, but with these few simple steps, it will help you get back on the road. First, make sure your car is on a flat surface, transmission on a park, and parking brake on. And for additional safety, try to find some blocks similarly to this and put it diagonally opposite the flat tire. And now, look for your spare wheel, which is normally located inside the boot. And you will find your spare tire and all the tools required to remove the wheel. As you can see here, these are the things you need to replace your flat tire. First one, this is a wrench. It's used to remove the nut or the bolt on your tire. This is a scissor jack that is used to lift the vehicle up. And lastly, a spare tire that is only used for temporarily use. Some vehicles have cover to cover the nuts or bolts. You have to remove all of them to expose all the stud or the nut or bolt. And now all the nuts or bolts are exposed. You can try loosening it with your wrench. To loosen it, it's counterclockwise. Don't remove all of them, just loosen them. Checkpoints are rated points on the vehicle where you can safely lift the vehicle up. As you can see here, these are points indicated and a notch similarly to this. On this vehicle, we have located the checking points, which is similarly to this notch. This is where we're gonna slide the scissor jack and put it in place. Screw in your scissor jack using your fingers until you can't screw it anymore. Use this tool to lift it up. Just turn it clockwise. Until the tire is above the ground. Now, because we've already slackened the nuts off, you can easily unscrew them off. Now, with all the bolts removed, simply remove it off, place it under your vehicle for additional safety, and grab your temporary spare wheel. Grab all the bolts and locate the bolt holes. Screw all the bolts. It's a good practice to fit these bolts finger tight. Nipply tighten the bolts or nuts in a star pattern. This is to make sure the wheel is evenly seated on the hub. And now we can safely put the car down. Remove your punctured tire or flat tire. And now we're gonna unscrew again the scissor jack on the counterclockwise rotation. And now that the wheel is on the ground, we can safely tighten all the wheel nuts or bolts. And same thing, tighten it on a star pattern. We've successfully installed your space saver or your temporary wheel. Take note that there's only a maximum speed of 80 kilometers an hour. And now you can continue your journey. We recommend to get your flat tire fixed as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Any questions, comment down below.